Hi everyone, how are you doing? We welcome you all to an interesting video. In this video, we'll share Windows 10 mobile keyboard related tips. These tips will help you not only in typing faster but also use the keyboard in a better way and get most out of it. So begin with, we'll check how and what tips can help you in typing the messages faster when you use the text messaging. So there are like a few tips which are very helpful when you try to type a SMS message. So one of that is very interesting. So let's say you have written a word or written a small text. So you can just select it, and when you now tap on the space, so this is the shift or I mean shift, sorry, not space, it's a shift key. So you tap on the shift key and it goes through a cycle. So the first letter is capitalized, the whole word will get capitalized, and you are back. This is very interesting. Actually, it can save lots of time, and when you need to capitalize, you can just write anything. So let me write anything, and what I need to, if I have to capitalize, what I need to do is to tap on it and just shift twice and it gets capitalized. Quite interesting actually. So another tip, if you are writing any word or any sentence and you have to do a period, so you can either tap on this, or if you're like busy, you are just moving your hand, then you can double tap on the space bar and it's done. So this is a setting, actually you have to allow this in a setting. So how to go to that setting? So now if you are using the keyboard and you have to go to the keyboard settings, what you can do, this is the third tip that you can remember. You can tap and hold on the this 1 2 3 and here you see the settings. You just go to settings, go to more keyboard settings, there is one, and if you go to any of the keyboard, here you can see the insert a full stop after I double tap the space bar. So if you check this option, and there are more options as well. So suggest text, highlight misspelled words, correct misspelled words, suggest emoticons, insert a space after I select a suggestion, insert a full stop after I double tap the space bar, capitalize the first hint, and type as I flick through letters. So these all options are very helpful. So obviously it's checked here as usually like a recommended or default setting. So it's obviously recommended that you don't change and don't uncheck them. Let them be how they look like. So, so we shared three tips till now. One was how to capitalize using the shift. Then we shared how to put a period by tapping the space bar twice. And third was how to go to settings from the keyboard itself. Then there are like let's say that you have to just enter a number now. So what you can do, instead of tapping on this and going to the number, what you can do actually is just swipe from here and whatever number you want. So let's say you have to key in 1, so you will swipe from here and 1. You can swipe from here and 2, 3, like the same. So quite interesting actually. So now there are other things that you can do. So let's say if I tap and hold, I can put many exclamation marks here. So from anywhere, if you tap and hold on the period, get these exclamation marks fast. Similarly, if you tap and hold of any of them, so you have this, you tap and hold on, so you get all these. So if you don't want to, if you're writing something, let's say QWERTY 1 2 3, I have to write. So Q1 W2 E3. You can do like this, but if it is time taking, so for you're writing more numbers, it's better to go to the numbers and do it. But let's say you have to write just one number, so you can just tap and hold and swipe and you get one. Or as we told, you can swipe from here and get to whatever number. So apart from this, as I said, if you go to anything, like let's say if I go to the number keyboard now and then, but tap and hold on any of them. Okay. So here you get it from there. So you can actually go and check it, and you will be able to see the variations that you can get from just tapping and holding. So if you master it, you remember it, then it becomes very, very easy actually. Then there are emoticons that you can actually use, and there are lots of them. As you have seen that in settings, there is a option of allowing or suggestion of emoticons. So let's say happy birthday if I have to write. So it suggests the emoticons. So this way you can actually make your messages quite richer. As you can see, we have, making it richer actually. So let's say there is one more very important new feature of Windows 10 Mobile which you may have used, but let's just see. So you can actually talk to text. So let's say, hi there. So it says hi there. Okay, quite good. Okay. So just to demo it, you can use speech to text. Now you can see that if I have to go to a particular letter, I can use this to move it. There is one more way in which you can do it. You can see this this pointing, precision pointing indicator. So you can use this as well for moving this. So if you don't want to use your finger, you can use this precision pointer, and you can move it to a particular letter fast. Okay, so now there is one more tip that I would like to share here. If you swipe on this space bar, you can change the keyboard. So it will only change to the options, those are available. So as you can see, so if we go to settings, here we can see only two keyboards. So if you want, you can actually download and install more keyboards. And if you do that, you would get more options. By swiping on the space bar, you can change the keyboard. So quite handy actually. Okay, there is one more option that I would like to show it to you, but that is more related to changing the size of the keyboard. So we have covered it earlier, but for quickly showing it to you, if you again tap and hold, so as you have seen, you can go to settings, you can change this English, and here you can change the keyboard sizes and dock it. So if I tap on this, it will dock to the left. I tap on this, it will dock to the right. And again, if you want to come back, so this is how it works. So we shared many tips with you while in case of we are doing texting. So now if we go to the Microsoft Edge, there are there is one tip which is quite unique to this Microsoft Edge. So when you go to Microsoft Edge and you bring this keyboard up, you will see this .com already present here. So what you can do, if you tap and hold, you can very quickly move to .in, .co.in, .org, .net. But this is unique to the Microsoft Edge. So we came to here. Now if in case you want to add a new word in the from the suggestion, so let's say uh, this is one new word and I want to add it. So how we will just tap to select this, and as you do this, you will get this plus sign before this word. So which means if you tap on this, it will be added to the dictionary. So as you can see, these are the keyboard tips which actually can help you in getting the best out of your keyboard, not only making the messages richer, and also helping you in really, typing faster with help of your keyboard. So hope you have liked this video. Stay tuned for more as we bring more of Windows 10 Mobile for you. Thanks for watching.